Today I'm going to show you how to enhance the audio in Riverside. Alright, so we're going to go up to the top right hand side, click on AI Tools and come down all the way here to Sound Clear. And over here we have some options. So we've got the Magic Audio. If you use the little drop down menu over here, it'll allow you to choose your speaker. So let's say that we have multiple speakers. You will see the list over here. You'll see currently we're on 100%. If you go ahead, use this toggle switch, it'll now enhance the audio for that speaker 1, which is currently the only speaker. Now, you'll see that there is this line over here. We are able to now change the intensity. So all the way to the left, this would be the original sound, and enhancing it 100% would be all the way to the right. Okay? So my suggestion is, you know what it sounds like in its original state, go ahead, put it on high, click on play, hear what it sounds like, and see what it will be as you adjust it. The next thing you can do is the smart mute, and this will basically allow you to mute any one of the speakers while they're not speaking. Now, it sounds confusing, but some microphones may offer a bit of feedback. Some microphones may be picking up other sounds. You may be in close proximity with two microphones and they might be picking up each other's audio. So this is a nice way of you only capturing the audio from one microphone at a time when the main speaker is speaking. So you can actually turn that on over here. Click on apply and it'll do this, of course, if you have multiple microphones.